Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Zeb-Envy is the latest over-the-ear headphone from Zebronics with cool breathing LED lights. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how they perform. In the front of the box we can see the headphones, and then here are some features such as 33 hours playback time, Bluetooth wireless, aux support, detachable mic, 3 LED light modes, it has call function, you get the media control, and these headphones also comes with a foldable design. Good thing about this headphone is that it comes with this detachable mic. And here at the back of the box, we have the box content info and also the technical specifications. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top we have the headphone itself. The build quality feels pretty good, keeping in mind the price of this headphone. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user manual, and then we have here the aux cable, and here is the detachable mic. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the headphones closely. Zeb-Envy is a wireless headphone. The build quality is good and it does feel premium as well. This headphone is adjustable and you get pretty good padding on the ear cups. On the headband as well, you get good cushioning, and also it can expand it according to your choice. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, I find it pretty good. There is also one more design feature which I will show you when we turn it on. In terms of overview, on the right ear cup we have the media controls and also the power button. There is also a micro USB charging port here along with the aux port. This aux port can be used for two things. First is to attach an external mic in this headphone, and second thing, as obvious, you can connect an aux cable to your device. And this is a good thing, as when there is no charge left on this headphone, you can use it as a wired headphones. Apart from that, there is also an LED light button here by which you can change the light on the ear cups. Yes, both the ear cups has the LED light feature. So the first mode is the steady mode, where the light stays on. And then you have this breathing light mode. And the last one is the auto change color mode. Now before we talk about the audio output, let's talk about the mic quality. With this headphone you can take calls and you can also use it for voice chat as well. Next you will hear the audio sample with or without the mic.
This is the sound test of the Zebronics Zeb-Envy Bluetooth mic. Now we will attach the detachable mic and let's see the quality. This is the audio from the detachable mic and the quality is much better.
Now let's move on to the most important part, which is the sound quality. Pairing is like any other headphone, but there also, this headphone has an advantage, as you can pair this headphone with two devices at the same time, and the audio switch is instant. So in terms of pairing and multi-device connectivity, I'm really happy with the performance. Now about the sound, the over-the-ear headphone is quite comfortable and it covers your whole ear. You get good bass and it is also loud and clear. It's actually very loud that I couldn't use this headphone with the full volume. But overall it's clear and you will not get any distortions or muffled up sound in this headphone. And I can say that in this price segment, the audio output you're getting is decent enough, though it's little on the bassy side, which I usually don't prefer. Apart from that, in other features, you can control the volume and change soundtracks with the media control buttons. And also, when you long press the power button, it will enable Google Assistant or Siri. So to sum it up, Zeb-Envy headphone is a pretty good product. The foldable design is good, which makes it easy to carry it around. And also, this headphone is very comfortable to use for long hours. With the 33 hours playback time, you can use it for days without charging. The sound output is good and basically it's a pretty decent headphone. And of course, the breathing LED light makes it even more stylish. Overall, if you're looking for a long-lasting battery headphone with good design, and also if multi-device pairing is your requirement, then we definitely recommend you to check this headphone. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Zeb-Envy Bluetooth headphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this headphone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.